Now, in this example, my geometry class, we're looking at the triangle sum theorem, but not just with regular numbers, with equations. The good news is that it's the same process. The only difference is that the equations add a couple of extra steps to our simplification and solving. But the reason why it's the same process is because in this example, each equation represents an angle. So this is an angle, 3x plus 4. This is an angle, 8x minus 1. And 3x plus 9 is an angle. So when we go to set up our equation, we're still adding together our three angles. We're adding together our first angle, 3x plus 4. We're adding up our second angle, 8x minus 1. And we're adding our third angle, 3x plus 9. I'm kind of close to the end of the page over on this side, so I'm just going to go ahead and write my equals 180 on the other side here, which is more than okay. So now we're able to combine our like terms and solve. In order to combine our like terms and solve, we really can drop our parentheses. I only added the parentheses there to help us visualize where each of the three angles were. So this 180 is really the same thing as 3x plus 4 plus 8x minus 1 plus 3x plus 9. And so our like terms then, let's go ahead and combine all of our variables first. We have a 3x plus an 8x plus a 3x. So what is 3x plus 8x? 11x plus 3 more x, that gives us 14x's. Let's combine our regular numbers now. Let's go ahead and we have a positive 4, a positive 4, minus 1 gives us 3, 3 plus 9 is 12, and that's all still equal to 180. So let's go ahead and subtract 12 on both sides. Minus the 12, minus the 12. 180 minus 12. Calculator genius. 168. No reason not to be safe there. 168 is now equal to our 14x. And in order to get x by itself, we want to take care of our division. Division undoes the multiplication, so divide by 14, divide by 14, and that should equal 12 if my memory serves right. So our value of x is equal to 168 divided by 14 does indeed equal 12. I want to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, that 12 is the value of x, not the size of our angles. If we wanted to know the size of our angles, we would plug x back into each of these separately. But because of the fact that it's just the value of x, that's all we needed to solve for in this case. Thank you guys. I hope that helped understand the triangle sum theorem a little bit clearer. See you in the next video.